Okay, on to our second fact about the butterfly life cycle. We've already found our assignment. We've already done our topic sentence, or the sentence that's eye-catching and tells about what we're writing about. We've already done our first stage. Now it's time to do the second stage of the butterfly life cycle. So we're going to come over to our Word document, and we are going to say the second stage of the butterfly life cycle is the larva. So I'm going to put it quite simply. I'm going to put it almost just like what I said. The second stage of the butterfly life cycle is the larva. In this stage, the butterfly is a caterpillar. Whoop. Ooh, I gave a little more information. Now, which sentence do I highlight in yellow? Which sentence do I highlight in red? If I look back at my first stage, I notice that the first stage of the butterfly life cycle is the egg, is highlighted in yellow. So the second stage of the butterfly life cycle is a larva, should also be highlighted in yellow. So I'm going to come up here, highlight this in yellow. Yes, it must be yellow if you're going to do this. You can't have a red without a yellow. Keep that in mind. In this stage, the butterfly is a caterpillar. I gave just a little more information to make this make more sense. Do you have to have the red sentence? No. Does it make your writing extra awesome and more exciting to read? Yes. Okay. Am I done yet? Not quite. I need to come back to my Google form, and I need to say the second stage of the butterfly life cycle is... Boop. Oh boy. The butterfly life cycle is the larva. You can add your red sentence if you would like. You don't have to.